Yes, of course, it's a world over. The problem was world over, not only in India. But Indian economy has really come back, bounced back, especially from December. See, ice cream was we are in Hangyo ice cream. Ice cream was the worst hit. For example, H1 is the first 6 months. I think we have not seen those numbers in my last 10 years. That kind of numbers we have followed. But from October, really we are coming up. December we have reached. January we have reached the number of more than last year January. In spite, all the education institutions are closed, hostels are closed, marriages are not there, but still Indian economy has bounced back. You can see the share market. Indian markets have crossed 51,000. So India has got a beautiful opportunity. I know all of you, you also know all your people, wherever you go, wherever you earn, again come back to India and invest. Why? You have a safety. The affection, number one is affection. Number two, you feel it's a safe investment. So India will definitely our country will bounce back. Oh, see, that's what I'm saying. Last month I attended when I was in Kumta. They were requesting there should be an industrial estate requirement in Honavar. We'll definitely consider, we'll push it. But even last meeting, some mall opening in Bhatkal, Ilyas Ba was saying some industry should come in Bhatkal. See, Bhatkal, the cost of land is very high. You know, for Gunta, it starts from 10 lakhs, goes up to 30 lakhs. So at this cost of land, no industry can survive. Land is the major criteria in an industry. Why we went to Kirvati? Not for affection. Land is cheap. Labor is cheap. What affection we have Kirvati? What affection we have in Brahmavar, Heru? We find first for capital investment, land should be cheaper. So Bhatkal, I feel getting industries will be difficult. But definitely Honavar, we will look at it. North Canara, really difficult. But I still feel for North Canara environment friendly industries, tourism, horticulture industries, small SMEs can grow. Now, for example, Bhatkal. From my childhood, Bhatkal Halwa is a famous. Why you are not doing Bhatkal Halwa a national product? See what Modi is saying. Every place you make a national product. The Sando Halwa, our childhood, what we are taking for 20 rupees a kilo, if I am not wrong, 20 to 10 rupees half kilo. Today also I remember. See, wherever Bhatkalis are there, they will buy. See, who can do the industries? We ourselves can do. Why we should ask others? I also studied with all of you in Bhatkal. Think big, what Modi is saying, Prime Minister Modi is saying. Think big, think beyond. Make halwa a national product. Bhatkal halwa, Bhatkal Sando halwa, or Bhatkal Badam halwa, whatever your brand. Make it a national product. Industry will grow. All our friends of Bhatkal wants money faster. You have to invest today, tomorrow you want money. So you are more in trade. We formed World Konkani Center and we have a special Vishwa Konkani Student Scholarship Fund. Every year we distribute about 3 crores rupees scholarships to all Konkani speaking community. We are speaking, see, Konkani is the only community in the country which is secular, spoken by Hindus, spoken by Bhatkal Nawaitis, Christians, Kunbis, Kharvis. There are 32 subcastes who are speaking Konkani. So we are giving this scholarship to everyone. Just now you asked about Kharvi community. We are giving large scholarship to Kharvi community to bring their education level up. But still, every year we get their applications hardly 10 to 12 in engineering. Kurmi community is 3 to 4. Christian community 50% application. 50% comes from our community, Saraswat community. Nawayats, we don't get one single application. 2 3 years back, I requested Khalil Ba also. Then he gave me some Ismail number, Ismail principal, Secretary Ismail Jis. I spoke to him. I sent him all the details. I told at least some poor engineering students are there, medical students are there. We can support. We give them 4 years, complete 4 years for an engineering, 40,000 rupees per year. More than rupees, we give them a skill development training of almost 40 hours, or not 40 hours, yeah, 40 hours quarterly. So they get almost 40 into, they get 12 times, almost 5 hours training in 4 years. And with the top faculty on skill development, on their personality development. Our success rate in World Company Center, 78% people are getting jobs. After they finish engineering, we see that he is employed. 15 to 16% people go for post graduation to Europe, Germany. We send them. Again, we give them scholarship. We don't have caste. Our criteria should be Konkani. And we have already identified non-ITs are part of Konkani. Khalil Bhau was our trustee. Today is also a trustee. Our Rahman Bhau is always a part of our committee, development committee. Syed Khalil Bhau is our trustee, your first chairman. So your application should come. They are asking me every year how many applications now. I say they are rich, yeah, they don't want it. See, honestly, GST is a fantastic system. I am passing through a GST. Of course, there are a lot of amendments, as you rightly said, have happened. See, India is a large country with 130 crore population, so many states. One Karnataka is a foreign country. One UP is in America. UP population 30 crores. America population is 35 crores. See, with such a large population, literacy is not there. GST, so many compliances are there. See, any new system requires time to implement. Of course, I agree with you. There are some lacuna in implementing because it's a totally new system. But the advantage is today, anything I pay GST in my business, I can deduct in payment of GST. Of anything, if I go to a hotel and stay, and the bill is in the name of Angyo Ice Cream, my GST number is given in that hotel. That GST I can deduct in my payout. There is no C form. There are no gates. So much simplification. Honorable our Prime Minister has done. It's a great system. Will take, see, any new system, adoptability will not come fast. It will take some time. But we citizens of the country, responsible citizens of the country, should cooperate with this. Industry cell in BJP has 24 cells. Industries is there, professional cell is there, doctor cell is there, lawyer cell is there. Like these 24 cells have been designed by the national BJP president Jay Prakash Nadda ji. And he has designed a model. And our state president Shri Nalin Kumar Katil ji is implementing all these cells. We call it Prakosta. Rajya Kaigarika Prakosta, Rajya Vrittiprara Prakosta, Rajya Vaidekiya Prakosta, Rajya Lawyers Prakosta. Like these 24 cells. See, this is a beautiful organization where 24 Prakostas will have, each Prakosta will have a state committee with convener, co-convener and 9 members. Of course, you are asking what is the services. Services, the first priority is for organization of the party, number one. Number two, we have to understand what are the difficulties of the industries, small, medium, large, in every region. And we have to understand, we have to take note of this. And we have to apprise the respective government, respective state minister. If it's industries, respective large and medium industries minister, small scale industries minister. What are the difficulties at district level? What are the difficulties at the mandal level, constituency level? What are the difficulties at the state level? So the cells of district, mandal and state should apprise to the government. We have designed a beautiful program for next 1 year. Actually, day after tomorrow, 17th, a state level organization of all these cells is organized at Bijapur. Now it is called Vijayapura on 17th. For out of 37, BJP party has done organizational 37 districts. Out of 37 districts, 19 districts we are meeting in Vijaypura. On 18th, we are balance 18 districts we are meeting in Hassan. And there will be a training for the full day for all the district convener, district co-convener, and all the members of the state committee. What we should do in next 3 months. There will be agenda. We will get a training. Each district, each mandal, each state member, what we should do how we have to work, how we have to organize. So this is a master plan of the party. Definitely, it will be reaching to the lowest personality, a person, a gentleman in the society. That's what I feel. It's a great program. February, we did a program in Hubli, in West Karnataka. After that, we have created a FMCG cluster in Hubli Dharwad. The final signature of the Honorable Chief Minister may happen within a week. We are developing 300 acres FMCG only for FMCG industries in Hubli Dharwad. This vision group was created under the chairmanship of Sri Ullas Kamath, Jyoti Laboratories. I was also a member of nine members committee. We have given a report to the government. Jagdish Shetterji has approved it. It has gone to Chief Minister. And if that happens, our vision to create 50,000 jobs in Hubli Dharwad only for Northern Karnataka.